Hello everyone, welcome back. Another day, another video of course. Still a continuous video on the video of yesterday, but it's pretty easy for me when I make 2 or 3 videos a day. If it works, because sometimes I'm too lazy to make 2 or 3 a day, but I will try my best to make videos for you guys to watch when we are all at home, of course. So today is a pretty nice product. Looking forward to the results of this. So reactivating shampoo from Nanolex. So we're trying it on a car with no protection on it. I'm going to show you a clip now, but there's no protection on the car because there is not cared for the paint. You will see when I show some detail shots of it, but there is not cared for the car. So I'm going to foam the car with my mjjc Foam Cannon Pro. And I'm going to do some reactivating shampoo in it. Of course I know it's not a snow foam, but we will try it anyway because it can work out pretty good. It should be pretty slick shampoo, and it also needs to leave a hydrophobic layer on the car. It should leave some protection, so I'm very curious what it will leave behind. Comes as a green product, which I'm a color geek, it looks pretty nice. But I will do about 50 milliliters in the foam gun and we'll dilute it 1 to 10 or something, I think, and then I will do 50 milliliters or something in my bucket, and because I only have a sample of 100 milliliters, of course, but we will try it anyway. We will see how good it is. I expect a lot from this because Nanolex is a pretty good brand. They have good products, so we will see what it can do. Before we go to the foaming process, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, of course, to watch all the videos in the next couple of days. Of course, it would mean a lot to me if you just like it. Would be amazing for me to make a lot more videos for you guys, would be easy for me. So pretty important to just like the video, would mean a lot. Thank you. So I'm going to pour it in, and I will see you guys soon. Ciao. So guys, diluted 1 to 10, shake it a bit. We will see how good it will foam. Foam's really good actually, so I will put you guys behind. You can take a look there. Oh. Okay guys, so we are done with the car. It is back to a clean state, but I won't show you the car because it doesn't matter, it's an old car. It is full of scratches, so the gloss of the car, all the paint is disappeared, so I would disrespect the product if I would show it to you, so I won't. I'm gonna polish the car a bit to get most of the scratches out, but I think this car will be replaced in 1 year. So I'm not going to do a great effort to get everything out, of course. But back to the reactivating shampoo. So what I did was snow foam the car. Of course, it is not a snow foam, but I wanted to try it anyway because always is fun to snow foam. But it made quite a good foam. It was not sticky or something, and it disappeared very quick. Especially when it is sun out, when the sun is out, like now. So it dried also very quick on the car, so I didn't rinse it off, I just went over it with a wash mitt. It didn't leave marks on the car of the drying, so that is pretty good, because I have other snow foams that will leave drying marks. But when I washed it, it felt very slick, so very safe to wash with. In my opinion, you don't have the thought that you leave marks on a car or washing marks. You will always leave them a bit, of course, but so it felt very slick. What I forgot for you guys is to make a before video of the paint, but the water just lays on the paint, doesn't move anywhere. But to be honest, I will show to you guys now, after I wash it and rinse it off, what it looks like, and it doesn't do anything more like that. Of course, I know it is to make an existing coating stronger, but some of these products leave a protection layer and will be more hydrophobic on the paint, but this one doesn't, because like you will see in this video clip, the water just sits on it, doesn't move anywhere. On the windows it did something, because on the windows they got pretty hydrophobic after I put the product on them, but the paint itself, it didn't do anything to it. It smells pretty good, but don't really matter. So in my opinion, I think I'm glad it's a sample. I won't use it again. Maybe I tried it wrong, because I have no coating on the car, of course, but it didn't left any protection layer, but it felt slick, so it is, you can wash the car with it if you want. But leave me in the comments down below if you have tried this product before, what your opinion is about this, if it works or not, or if you think I did something wrong. Could always be the case, of course, because I never used this. It's my first time. So leave it in the comments down below, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!